where's Harvest Hills? It's on the north side of Calgary, on the west side of Highway 2. Do you like having a family-oriented community? Maybe playgrounds and parks close by so you can send the kids to play. Is convenience important to you? Well, my new listing is one set of lights away from being on Highway 2 that'll take you anywhere in Calgary. How about having shopping and schools close by? Check, check, check. My new listing has it all. Don't miss out. Let's take a look. These beautiful original hardwood floors, the vaulted ceilings adding so much size to this main level. But the best part is the amount of natural light pouring in from every single window, and the open concept that you can stay connected with your guests no matter where you are, whether the dining, the kitchen, or the living room. But don't go away, you gotta see the walkout. Do you want more information on your new home? Our information's below. Give us a shout. Or if you just want to see crazy property tours, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.